This is Tropic. It's a new category of shoes. We call it the all-terrain sneaker. It's a mesh of a comfy urban shoe with a rugged technical outdoor boot. On the one hand, it's stylish, comfortable, and light. On the other, it's meticulously crafted as an incredible shoe for the outdoors. It's super light. It grabs your foot firmly with an elastic counter heel. It has a slip-resistant sole with a strong rubber grip, so you can trust it anywhere. When you're in the city, you'll appreciate the comfort it brings you. The freedom. It's made with Cosmo Materials 3D mesh, so it's super breathable. It comes with both elastic and regular shoelaces, so you can wear it the way you want to. Tropic is 100% water friendly. And it dries in minutes using the patented treatments Agian and Combat. It's built to slip on. And it's made to be worn with or without socks. It's a shoe for city lovers, adventurers, and explorers. Take it wherever life takes you.